Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
I have good news to Osun people. Your governor is fit. Can't you see me? And I'm so happy, that I'm back.
The opposition said His Excellency is very sick. He has been moved out of Nigeria to seek medical attention.
When I was coming in, did you see me with a wheelchair?
No.
Can't you see me? Come on. Can't you see me like this jumping? Am I looking good or what?
Very looking good.
That's it. So they're just embarrassed because of our achievement, because of our progress. Like I said the other time on my interview, when they go low, go high. So that's it.
Now that you are back,
yes.
What do people of Osun expect?
Oh my God. Good is all the way. Good tidings all the way. I love you all. Thank you so much.